Where's the brake safety switch on a Deere 345 with a Kawasaki 18 horsepower? Sometimes mine makes contact and other times it does not work at all. Of course, then I can't get the tractor started. Then, later on when I try it, it may start.
Brake safety switch is located near the clutch/brake rod under the machine. Look for the moving rod when pedal is pressed and you should see the switch button once rod moves. Let me know if you need anything else as I am here for you. Please remember to rate me as I strive to be the best. Ratings help me to achieve this. 5-star rating is my goal.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.